Or the shorts?
I suck at timekeeping.
Cool.
I have an extra tail here. All right, we're about to begin Rain City Raptors versus California Dobbys.
Everything's written already?
That green and black team versus that black and green team.
I mean, the Dobbys used to be more green and gold. They just introduced black. But essentially...
Who's head rep?
And then they're done at 11. Some dude with a hat.
Right.
Is that Ellis?
No, that is.
Hey guys, I need that small bite in the front of the table for me to sit down.
Indigo said.
Oh? Not get caught.
Who is...
Sai is reffing, Ruthie is reffing, Joe Tran is reffing, and Dylan is reffing. Oh, Jordan.
Ruthie! Ruthie!
I think Ruthie's in the
What rep are you?
AR. Let's get this show on the road!
Oh, yeah. I don't have anything to complain about. We just won a super awesome game.
Where's the schedule?
Like, my favorite games I've ever played in Quidditch
And that
are
has
either
a switch
super
meeting.
close wins or that.
California Dobbys, are you ready? Get some sauce! Rain City Raptors, are you ready? What's the forecast? Looks like rain!
Nope, still doesn't.
First time.
This is the first tournament I've played and not been cold in 3 years.
It was so emotional when they did their chant.
We brought the California weather with us, clearly. You're welcome. Sean Booker driving. Oh, denied!
Go, Molly!
Yeah, that's what I'm saying.
Yep, that was definitely the best beater in the Northwest. Molly Bosian knocking out Mari Fromstein. Living up to that reputation that we definitely have not inflated at all because it's funny to watch her be upset. No, we would never do that to her.
Those first 2 possessions on defense, I was like, I didn't know where
Nice.
Mark was. I was like turning around, I couldn't spot someone. I was like,
And it's good. All right, Rain City with the first goal on the Dobbys. The score is 10-0.
Yeah, I like this green version of the Utah Raptors. I know.
So are we not doing that to who those scores anymore?
Try. Thank God. It's a really bad try. I didn't see it.
I'm sorry. Sean Booker driving, and Sean Booker scores. It is 10-all. We're rating buckets at any rate. It is 20-10. Rain City leads the California Dobbys.
Go, go!
time, please.
2:35.
That was one of the. I'll always remember that because it's one of the questions I got wrong the first time on the AR quiz. And I had said something the first time. Don't touch it, guys. Leave it. Leave it. The second time I took it. Go,
All right. It's another Rain City goal. It's 30-10.
7? Is it 7? The last game. It's scheduled for 7.
Right there in front of the scoreboard.
Yeah. Who was the team that kept playing super long games and it's behind their national? I think it was Bosnia and Florida's final. Like 3 overtime games. So they had like the Gambits won a game and then they had to wait like 7 hours before the That's why having a hard time counting.
All right, that's a nice Quidditch score by captain and coach Drew Sartorius.
He's in so much pain. He gets injured like every game. They have migraines 24/7.
Get the chaser. One beater. Ryan wants one. Take off. Get both back.
Ooh, and that's a reset. Sean should have been in front of the line, but well, he did use the right reset. If he is pushed back, that does not count like this. He just has to make his way back forward ASAP, which he is doing. Nice little bullet pass to Jacob Ellis, but he's wrapped up and it's picked up by Rain City, and Drew Sartorius is coming up, waiting for his beaters, looking for where to go.
Drew, you got right. My name is Jake Sullivan. Great job, Michaela.
All right, that's another Rain City goal. Drew scores again. The score is now 50-10. Rain City leads the Dobbys. All right, Dobbys on the board. It is now.
Marina, what's the time?
6:26.
It's 6:26 game. The score is 50-20. Yes, 50-20 with the Rain City in the lead.
Peek away.
That's so legit.
Good job, Sherry.
Luke Rouse sees something he doesn't like.
Next offense.
Jacob.
Yeah. I love Stitch.
Keep her beat. Step up. Going back, nice. Hold.
I think if I was series beater partner,
Nice dunk from Sean Booker. Oh, maybe not? We'll see. They blew the whistle after the goal. I don't know if it has to do with the goal yet. Let's wait. All right.
I'm never doing this without a chair again.
Sorry, buddy. I could not fit a chair into my check bag. I tried.
Doesn't fit in my carry-on either.
I miss my chair with my little like built-in umbrella. It's the best. Ian Howard bringing it up now for Rain City. Passes it to Joe Malik, who drops it. Ashlyn Quigley is up. Get.
Line him up, Sean. Line him up.
Oh, right into Kevin's hands.
Mango. Okay, it's fine. There's one behind him.
Sean Booker. Ooh, yeah, that was from behind, maybe?
It was, but it was from behind anyway. It doesn't matter.
Well, no, it does matter because if it's a help.
Number 44, initiating contact from behind. Women in the penalty box.
He actually has one.
Love you,
Kyle.
Penalty play goal. Here we go.
Rest and friendliness.
All right, Dobbys on the power play. Sean looking to capitalize.
We're at 3.
And he does. Off your brim! So the score is now 30 to 50.
908.
908. It is 30-50 the score. Rain City is in the lead, but Dobby's keeping it close. Games have been mostly close games so far, which is what you like to see. Competitive tournament, it's a fun tournament. Maybe not so much the overtime part, but everything else has been great.
Can I get a time check?
It's 9:36.
He had up until Super Bowl 52. Drew Sartorius?
No, not
Kyle, your point.
Oh, the keeper is Ian.
I think it's like Davis.
And his son is
the guy that got a card.
Oh yeah, Kyle Drevis.
a little while. He died because his spleen got exploded on the field. He was on the Broncos.
Didn't he like start playing because he was digs when he played?
Yeah, I think so. All right,
That's
Dobby's goal.
that goal was good, right?
Yes. They just gave it to you. Yeah, it's 50-40. It is 50-40. Rain City by 1. Ooh, he tried to jump it, and this time it did not work. Ooh. Shame. There was some power in that shot, but not.
This is hard.
That's hard. No, he's fine. You did not pass the hard boundary.
Ignore him because
This point is boundary.
It's a boundary.
That's soft.
It's turnover to Dobby.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's
that's
a
fine.
hard boundary now.
Sorry.
Kicking the ball here because that's what came out.
I'm in boundary.
Good job.
We're all getting used to the new rule book.
And on video.
Recorded for posterity.
Listen,
Go,
learning experience. No, I will not. I don't. First of all, I don't have the skills to edit out my idiocy. If I did, it would be happening. So you're getting the raw, uncut. Barcelos kind of knows Quidditch. Okay, it's a goal because he ruled it a goal and then stopped it. So it.
11:35.
The time is 11:35. Rain City 60, Dobbys 40.
11:35. 11:35.
Great job, Marina.
Thanks, Gal.
Ah, such
Anything
friendship.
for you.
Oh, pitter patter, let's get at her. Come on.
Stop kidding. So we're like,
The goal was good. Yes.
These are the ones that they have, though.
I lived in Portland when I started.
Oh, I think you might have like.
That's kind of the reason. Yeah.
Just gotta go super tight.
Yeah, so
12:02.
the Aubrey, yeah, with the
Not turnover, though. Didn't he go over? Okay.
We're gonna find out in a minute.
He was pressured, so it doesn't count, basically.
Contact below the knee. 1 minute on the penalty box.
Yikes.
That's his second.
we played.
There's no white people with the thing. I'm sorry,
Yeah.
man.
More if I had a stein on his calf.
So for one
We got one chaser.
Why do we have to do a cop still? And then next year
I love watching Michaela and Dash beat together. Mwah. Ooh, and it's good. It is 50-60 now. The Dobbys chipping away at Rain City's lead.
Score table, game time.
12:55.
Press, move them around. Move them around.
One.
Press to Caleb,
No,
press.
second handicap? Or no, first handicap.
it
Yes.
was a
Nita.
Caleb, press.
Okay, no, I was thinking second stage, but I meant.
yeah.
Well, I mean, technically, the first handicap,
No, that's the old rules. Which was the lamest handicap. I'm so glad they fixed that.
Which one?
was that?
The first handicap be within the keeper zones. They're supposed to be anyway. That's not a real.
Well, because it starts at 18. Technically, I guess, if you're out at 17.
That was a pretty little dunk. It is 70-50 now.
Everyone close your eyes.
Raptors in the lead.
Right?
You go find a fucking tree.
Right? I can bring water balloons on, yeah?
Hi, Joe.
Look at Joe Robles!
That's him.
Wait, I mean, no, that's Michael Aguilera.
My freshman year, this dude filled the snitch sock with Cheerios.
Amazing. Iconic.
Oh my god. That's awesome. I remember regional at my first regional. The snitch
All right, that's the Dobbys goal. It is 60-70. Rain City leads by 1 goal.
14-15.
14.
15.
Already?
Yep.
Time, please.
14-15.
Ah, thanks, Martin.
Okay, actually now it's 14-27.
Martin coming through with the info once again. I miss you, Martin.
That was their second.
Gil Ortiz with the ball.
Woo! Go Gil!
Gil is big in Japan. I'm sorry, Gil is big in the Northwest the way some people are big in Japan. I love him all the time, but I definitely love him up here too. Molly Bosian trying to wrap up a Dobbys beater, whether it's Dashiell Thompson or Michaela. She doesn't care. She just wants to stop their bludger supremacy. Yes, Canadians, I said it. Did not work though. Lang. Ooh, watch out. It's okay.
Fuck, that's fucked in my hand.
And there was like Nicole and Robert.
Ryan, be a safe option. Josh, Waffle. All the way.
And they noticed he was
There we go.
All right. It is 60-80. Rain City has pushed their lead to 2 goals.
That's also hard. That's hard.
Marina, time please.
16:07.
Jake,
Jake's right there.
okay. You have less than a minute. Time, they're asking.
16:19.
This is like peak asking time. People are like, it's been too long.
I know. I started.
Listen, I'm so glad he's here because
Oh,
He was ignoring it.
Yeah.
What time?
16:36. Game time.
I'm not sure they heard that.
no,
We need to go
it's
again.
so much better. It's so much easier to set up. You know how hard it is to set up an arc? Sit down.
It's really hard.
Timeout for Dobbys.
Dobby's calling a timeout. So I need you to tell me when a minute. So do not start the clock. Just tell me when a minute
Can I
passes.
get 1 minute, please?
Yes, we are timing it.
Thank you.
Not card?
Very good use of the timeout here, considering it's a 20-point game and the snitch is just. Oh, look, there's the snitch. Tumbling, bumbling.
Can I get some water, please, from someone? Thank you.
You guys. It's right there.
We're playing Cascadia?
Sure.
It's empty, man.
Oh, shit. Sorry. I mean, darn.
That one's mine. I have a little bit left.
Where's your chair at?
Tell me when it's been 45 seconds. I need to blow a whistle. What's it been right now?
Oh, fuck.
What has it been?
It's been 30 seconds.
Okay. Can you tell me at 45?
Yeah.
Did you run away to make pre-existing stoppages even longer?
I wish it was MLQ rules, but I'm following the USQ rules.
Yes, I'm with you there.
You don't have much of a choice.
No.
All right, 45 seconds.
15 seconds!
That's what I forgot in the timeout. Whistle. 45.
Wait, okay, so someone did call
That's what it says.
I can't be out there yet. I still have 20 seconds.
Still out here. It's a good spot.
I can just stand right here, yeah?
Yeah, you just can't be in the. So, oh, jeez.
Okay, I fucked up. I accidentally stopped it. But I know what time it was when
Okay.
it stopped.
All right.
16:36.
Okay. Thank you for writing it, because.
Person named this is his second Quidditch game. That's cool.
Somehow we will survive.
You always want a newbie. So good.
All right, it's another Raptors goal. It is now 90-60. If Dobbys pull, it is overtime. It is not a win. Game time.
Yeah, I'm gonna make you live back to hoops.
Am I releasing Jake?
Not yet.
Okay.
Yeah, right.
All right. Jake is released.
Seekers, report!
That was, oh man. There was, I think it was Northwest Regionals 3. Baby Bixler.
Your name Kyle? I'm a superior Kyle. Gotta prove it.
Something
Yeah.
yeah.
Can I get a broom?
Yes.
Out in the grass, super hot conditions.
Apparently not.
It's different, but it's
Yeah, Baby
That's
Bixler,
fine.
like,
Let's do it for all Kyles everywhere. All Kyles everywhere. I think we're allowed to do it. Yeah, we're allowed to. I'm gonna do it right now.
and he was out for the game with
I will count you down from 10.
Nice catch by Ellis.
Don't foul before you get injured next time. Yeah.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Secrets are released.
All right. All right, I'm going to try and keep. Ooh, Kyle Shepard is just throwing himself at Jake Malloy, but Jake's a speedy one. Now Kyle briefly. Oh, his hand was so close. I saw it.
That was a good one.
All right, that's a Rain City goal. It is now 100. Make it 100, please. It is 100-60 now. So Dobbys cannot pull if they want to win. Oh, but it looks like they may not have to.
Let's see what Jake's like. He moved a bit. Kind of just like, yeah.
No, that's fine. That was actually on me. I saw the ball with him. Usually must be blocked the ball. So that's on me. Nice beating, Jacob.
Good catches for the Raptors.
Woo! All right. That's game. Final score is 100-60 Raptors.